Looking for a hands-on healthcare career where you can truly make a difference? Occupational therapists support people of all ages in gaining greater independence, whether they're recovering from an injury, managing an illness, or facing everyday challenges. If you're compassionate, practical, and enjoy problem solving, this could be the perfect career for you. As an occupational therapist, you help people of all ages overcome everyday challenges. You provide practical strategies tailored to each individual's needs. Working in hospitals, schools, care homes, and other settings, you collaborate closely with families and healthcare teams to improve lives through hands-on care and expert guidance. You don't need to be a superhero, but you'll need to be a great communicator, patient, calm and caring, good at problem solving, creative and practical, a team player, organised and observant. You'll also need resilience. It's rewarding, but it's real hard work. Here's what most universities look for. Around 5 GCSEs A* to C, including English, Maths and Science. 2 to 3 A-levels or BTECs, biology, psychology or PE are useful. Experience helps. Volunteering in a care home, helping out at a school or youth group, anything that shows you care and can work with people. To become an OT, you need to complete a degree approved by the Health and Care Professions Council. Some common options include BSc Occupational Therapy, BSc Sports and Exercise Therapy, BA Creative and Therapeutic Arts. University entry requirements usually range from 104 to 120 UCAS points. This could be A-levels, BBB to BCC, BTECs, DDM to DMM, Scottish Highers, BBBCC to BCCCD, International Baccalaureate, 27 to 31 points. Check out occupational therapy degree courses on What Uni to compare your options. Studying OT involves a mixture of lectures and placements. You'll study anatomy, psychology, and hands-on techniques. Half the course is spent in real settings, hospitals, schools, clinics. Most courses take 3 years to complete, or 4 in Scotland, or if part-time. Career-wise, occupational therapy offers lots of pathways. You can learn all about the different roles, salaries and more on What Uni. Ready to take the next step? Search and compare OT courses on What Uni now.